The machine reverse V squat is a great exercise that primarily targets the hamstrings and glutes as well as the quadriceps. If you want to primarily target the quadriceps, complete the machine V squat with your back against the pad. I'm using the V squat machine from Hammer Strength. To get started, while facing the V squat machine, step up onto the platform and bend your knees to place your shoulders underneath the shoulder pads with your forehead pressed into the back pad. Position your feet in the middle of the foot platform, approximately shoulder width or a little wider if you have tight hips, with your toes pointing straight ahead or slightly angled out. Extend your legs to lift the weight off the rack, then pull the arm of the machine to release the safety. With your core tight in a strong flat back, breathe in as you slowly bend your knees and push your glutes back to lower into the squat. Focus on keeping your core strong and back flat to protect your lower back. Go as deep as your hip flexibility allows, then press your feet through the platform to rise back to the top of the squat as you contract your glutes. Repeat for reps. Once you complete all the reps, pull the arm on the machine to re-rack the weight. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.